The real problem isn't that deploying is slow. The real problem is that most fast deploy solutions give you something you don't own. You're on their platform. It works great until you need to scale, or customize, or leave. Otoshek gives you a real, serious, separated Django and React app on your own cloud account, with Stripe wired in, authentication built in, an AI chat assistant ready to go, and every time you push to main, your CI/CD pipeline builds and deploys automatically. Your code lives in your own GitHub repo, pushed there by the platform. But to start building, you still need a local environment. There's a Claude skill for that. One command and you're all set. That's not a toy. That's a business foundation.
Let me show you how fast this actually happens. You sign in, go to Launch App, select your stack, cloud, styling, name your project, click Build. The platform assembles your app with the stack you chose. Once it's ready, you go to Infrastructure, connect your GitHub account and name the repo, paste your credentials, the platform reads them, validates them, and tells you if something's off. Simple. But you need those credentials first, 5 providers. Your cloud, Azure or Google, your database on Superbase, Stripe for billing, Google for authentication, and Mailjet for email. In the sidebar, navigate to Docs. Under Credentials, you'll find all the tutorials. Every credential has its own dedicated page with written steps and a video walkthrough right at the top. They're all under 4 minutes, and most of the work is the same pattern. You open the tutorial, follow the steps, paste into the credentials template. Nothing here requires deep cloud knowledge. If you can follow a video and copy and paste, you have all your credentials. Now, back to the deployment. Your credentials are in, validated, you pay, and you're ready to deploy. One click. The platform configures your Stripe account, provisions your cloud infrastructure, sets up a secure CI/CD pipeline between GitHub and your cloud provider, and pushes your code to your repo. That push triggers your first deployment. When it's done, you get a link. Click it, and your app is live. Now, to start building on it, you need a local environment. Go to the Otoshek local setup repo. 3 commands, all copy and paste. First, add the plugin marketplace. Second, install the skill. Third, run the skill with your GitHub repo URL. Claude Code takes it from there. It sets up your database, your certificates, your environment variables, everything you need to run the app locally. Once it's done, open your IDE. In the sidebar, go to Run, select Backend and Frontend from the drop-down and press Play. In the terminal, you'll see your app running on localhost, and notice its HTTPS certificates already configured. Click the link, and there's your app, running locally, identical to production. Now, want to change something? Open Claude Code, give it an instruction, and watch it work.